way to start vlog 100. Resident Evil 3 is cracked. Yes, you heard me correct. Resident Evil 3 is finally cracked after nearly 6 months. Who has done it? A P2P individual or a group named reportedly Coronas has finally worked upon the game and has made the game available or cracked, whatever you can say. And the size of the game is reportedly under 20 to 25 GB. But what really happened today? Capcom removed Denuvo from the game. Why Capcom removed Denuvo from the game? Two things can happen. Firstly, the deal which they had with Denuvo might have expired after 6 months, which tends to happen with Capcom game. They may have a shorter deal with Denuvo that up to a certain period, Denuvo would be supporting the game. After that, Denuvo would not be in the game, and that gave an opportunity to Coronas or the P2P individual who was working on the game, and he made the game available. But what really happened? There could be another reason that Denuvo was hampering the performance of Resident Evil 3 Remake, and due to thinking about the gamers, Capcom thought that to increase the performance, increase the stability of the game, to give better FPS, Denuvo has to go, and Denuvo was removed from the game, and that's why the game is available. And also one more important thing is that do not think that Denuvo is beaten here, because Denuvo was removed from the game. That's why the game is cracked and is available. If Denuvo would have been there, it would have been a bright sign, it would have been a good sign, because as you guys know, Resident Evil 3 Remake and all the latest game have a Denuvo version 9. So that is not happened. Denuvo is not beaten, and the other games which has Denuvo in it, the future really is in balance. What would happen with that game? So we have to be very positive regarding that, because new P2P individuals, new P2P groups are coming who are very excited, who have a better technology, and let's see what happens going forward. But the other games still have Denuvo. We have to wait for other companies also to follow what Capcom is doing. If my memory serves me correct, Capcom has done this earlier also with other games. They have removed Denuvo from it, and other companies also have going forward removed Denuvo after a certain period of time, which is very good. Because Denuvo, the other thing, because I do not like Denuvo, because Denuvo is bad for performance. It increases the CPU usage, and the game performance is very laggy because of Denuvo, and it depends upon system to system. It is not that for every system there would be an issue, but the other games still have Denuvo. There's a big issue in that. Let's see if other companies follow the same trend which Capcom is setting. Remove Denuvo after 6 months. It's highly good, because in 6 months Capcom has made good money regarding Resident Evil 3 Remake, and their new version, new game is also coming. So this can also be a marketing strategy. They know that what will happen if Denuvo is not in the game. The new game is coming, so it would be a perfect platform for them to promote Resident Evil 3 franchise, and this is the another way they could do that. That's my theory. So Resident Evil 3 is finally cracked. And also one more thing, that no links will be provided. Do not ask me for any links, because this vlog is only for news and information, and this is information regarding Resident Evil 3 Remake which you must understand, and that is the first news which I am giving to you. So this is the news. You are happy or not, all depends upon you. And also I did not plan my vlog 100 would be like this. I planned something different, something big, because I need to answer your questions which you asked me in my community post. I asked you to ask me some question on my vlog 100, but definitely I will take those questions on vlog 101, because this is not the way I really planned vlog 100. But Resident Evil 3 Remake is a big news, and that's why vlog 100 I had to make certainly. That's why vlog 101 I will take all the question which you have sent me on 50 plus question. I think you have sent me for vlog 100, that I will take on vlog 101. But the big news is that Resident Evil 3 Remake is finally out and it's cracked. So enjoy the game, and if you have any issues regarding the game, comment below. I will be there to help you. So keep loving, keep gaming. See you on the video. Keep gaming.